all are dealing with this lockdown, and we know the current situation is so stressful and painful. There are so many Arunachali students and youth working outside the state who wish to come home, but they are stranded.
Hi, my name is Eunice and I stay and work outside my state, and it's a really difficult time for each and every one of us all over the world, and for me it's a little bit tough to stay away from my family members, but it's okay. It's a struggle for each and every one of us. We have to cross these hurdles, and I hope this COVID-19 will pass away soon and we'll have a normal life. Stay safe, everyone.
मैं अरुणाचल से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे शिलोंग में स्टडी कर रही हूँ। ये लॉकडाउन के कारण मैं यहाँ पे फंस गई हूँ, घर जाने को मौका नहीं मिला। तो मैं यहाँ पे मार्च 19 से यहाँ पे रह रही हूँ, एक दीदी के रूम में एडजस्ट करके। सो लॉकडाउन के कारण यहाँ पे तो हम लोग अंदर पे ही जैसे हर कोई बैठ रहा है, हम लोग भी बैठ रहे हैं ऐसे। तो वही एक चीज़ है कि ये लॉकडाउन में सभी लोग अपना अपना घर परिवार का साथ में बैठ रहे, तो हम भी ऐसे फील करते हैं कि अपना घर में काश होता तो अपना भाई बहन के साथ में, पेरेंट्स के साथ में, तो अच्छा था। लेकिन अब तो यहाँ पे रह गए, तो यहाँ पे भी एंजॉय कर रही हूँ। इसीलिए मैं सभी को बोलना चाहेगा कि आप लोग भी इसी तरह अपना घर पे सेफ एंड साउंड अच्छे से रहिए।
David Lombi, an inhabitant of Leparada district, Arunachal Pradesh. I am a law student in Northeastern University, Shillong. As a responsible citizen, my appeal to our government, in whom we invest all our trust and powers, is that the government must check very delicately, they must make very delicate review of the legalities of every orders before the orders can be enforced. They must become the voice for the voiceless and the hands to lift up all those who lacks their own, because not every people out there in our country are that privileged. Like until and unless this pandemic of COVID-19 be completely suppressed down, the above made appeals are in itself full of authority and rightfulness, as whatever discussed above are exactly what the need of the hour is currently. So the same must not be unattended by the responsible government.
Natagya, and I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. Right now I'm staying in Delhi and I work as a cartographer for a news channel. I was supposed to go back to home around the mid of April, but since the lockdown date has been extended, I'm still here in Delhi. My concerns is right now that the safety and the process which I'm going to go back home, through which I'm going to go back home after the lockdown finishes. And also I appeal the government that the process through which I'm going to come back is something which I believe that it should be well observed and well examined before entering to the state. And currently I don't face any financial crisis, and also recently only the Arunachal government has helped lots of students and working laborers who are outside, and I really appreciate that. So only the concern that I have is with the process and my safety through which I can go back home. And my other concerns are all fine right now. I'm staying inside and I have quarantined myself for at least 40 days. It's been 40 days that I've been staying inside, and also the people around me are also being very precautious, and they have been taking preventive measures also. Till then I believe that people should stay home, stay clean and stay safe. Thank you.